Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here at the National in Ave Maria. This is unit 436. It's a Birkdale floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot, and comes fully with a golf membership. And it's being offered turnkey, so everything that you see here in this video comes with the home. Alright folks, so as we come inside the Birkdale, on the right side, just past the entry, this is your owner's suite here. Really nice size room here. That's a king size bed for perspective. We've got 2 closets, the his and hers, one on each side. One is a walk-in, one's more the coat style. And then you've got the owner's bath here with the standalone shower, the singular sink, as well as the commode. Now coming back out towards the entry area, and across from the primary, we have the guest bedroom here with the twin beds and the bifold style closet doors there. Then we come across the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and now we have a combination tub and shower in lieu of just a standalone shower like in your primary. And back out to the main hallway, we have your laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer with additional storage above. And then the Birkdale opens up into this nice great room layout here. So really nice for entertaining. The kitchen here has tons of cabinets. You get the stainless appliance package. You get the quartz countertops. Beautiful dining area overlooking your views. And then your kitchen island here overlooking your great room area. Now, last but not least on this home are the views from here. The views are spectacular. So as we come outside, you're going to have views of the lake and the Gulf on either side of you here. That is a phenomenal view. Alright folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.